Hey everyone! Tired of saying I don't understand the same way every time? In this video, you'll learn 20 natural ways to say it, with short conversations to help you remember them better. Let's get started! Let's begin with some casual and friendly expressions. Number 1, I don't get it.
This math trick is so cool.
I don't get it. Can you show me again?
2, that went over my head.
The ending of that movie was genius.
Really? It went over my head.
Number 3, huh?
Just multiply by 3 and subtract 5.
Huh? What did you say?
4, I'm confused.
First, turn left, then take the third right.
I'm confused already. Draw me a map, please.
5, wait, what?
The test is tomorrow morning.
Wait, what? No one told me.
6, you lost me.
Then divide the answer by the square root.
Hold on, you lost me there.
7, I have no idea what you're saying.
The GPU handles parallel processing.
I have no idea what you're saying. Explain it like I'm 5.
8, I'm not sure I follow.
We need to merge Q1 and Q2 reports by Friday.
I'm not sure I follow. Which reports?
Could you clarify that?
Your plan expires in 3 business days.
Could you clarify that? What counts as a business day?
I didn't quite catch that.
Send it before EOD.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. EOD.
Can you explain that another way?
Your IP address is dynamic.
Can you explain that another way?
Would you mind repeating that?
Your appointment is at 2:45.
Would you mind repeating that?
I'm having trouble understanding this.
Just do 3 sets of 15 with rest intervals.
I'm having trouble understanding this routine.
I'm not familiar with that concept.
Based on Occam's razor.
I'm not familiar with that concept. What does it mean?
And here are ways to ask for help, the smart way. Can you walk me through that?
Just fill the form online and upload the documents.
Can you walk me through that?
Can you break it down for me?
You just convert binary to decimal.
Can you break it down for me? I'm new to this.
I'm missing something here.
We skipped steps 3 and 4.
I'm missing something here. What were those steps?
Can we go over that again?
Here's how we calculate the interest.
Can we go over that again?
I think I need a simpler explanation.
It's due to CPU throttling.
I think I need a simpler explanation.
Could you give me an example?
It's passive voice.
Could you give me an example?
Now you know 20 better ways to say, I don't understand, Which one do you use most often? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English tips. See you in the next video.